Today's CNC FAQ is, what does a tool length sensor do, both on a Stepcraft CNC or on any CNC for that matter? Well, the tool length sensor is a way to accurately measure the proper Z height of the tool in your spindle. Typically, when you're setting up a job, you put a tool in your collet in your spindle. You have to lower the tool down until it just touches either the surface of your work material or the surface of your bed, depending on how you have your Z0 set in your CAM software. So if you are lowering your Z, you can either do it by eye, which if your job is not super accurate, maybe it's just a wood project or carving or sign or something where a couple thousandths of an inch isn't going to make a difference, you can lower it down by eye. Some people use a piece of paper, and you move the piece of paper, keep lowering the Z until it just pinches the paper, and then you're all set there, and you can zero your Z using that method. However, if you're doing a job that the accuracy is very important, maybe it's an engraving where you're only going down a few thousandths of an inch, or it's a metal part that you have the Z depth is very important. If you were doing a pocket or something, then you need a more accurate way and a more repeatable way to zero off your Z each time. So that's where the tool length sensor comes in. You simply would place the tool length sensor on top of your work material or on top of your bed and move the tool over using the gantry or the arrow keys on your machine control software until the tool is just above the tool length sensor. And then in the case of Stepcraft using UCCNC, there's a button on the screen that's a tool touch off button. So you simply hit that and it activates a macro that lowers the tool until it just touches the button on the tool length sensor, and then it retracts, and that's it. It saves your Z0. Now, if you were to remove the tool length sensor and hit go to zero, then the tool is going to come down and perfectly be level, touching the top surface of the work material. So again, it's a way of accurately creating a repeatable Z0 on your work surface from job to job. And it's, in my opinion, it's just a lot quicker than trying to do it by eye or using a piece of paper. So it's a very, very good accessory to have on any CNC machine. So that's it for today's CNC FAQ.